Hello, this is Dr. Don, and I'd like to show you as a family how to get started with a Rocket Math online game. It's really pretty simple and quick. I'm going to show it all to you right here. First thing is go to our website, Math.com, go to Login Central, and choose Online Game Admin, because that's where you're going to manage the online game. It's where you're going to start to set it up, and that's what you want to do. Once you have an account, you'll be coming here to log in, but the first time you need to click on Register for an account to set yourself up. I've got one filled out already for Adam Johnson here. You see A.Johnson mail drop, his email twice. Tell us you're a family instead of a school and give us your name, and then put in your pass code, what you want for a password, put it in twice, and click Register. And that will set you up for an account if everything is done correctly. Let's try this again and register. That sets you up an account. First thing you need to do in your account is decide how many seats you have. Pretty easy for a family, just however many kids you have. So we'll say Adam has 6 kids, he puts in 6 seats, set up 6 seats. And just like that, he has them. Now, the next thing to do is to set up the logins for each of the students. So let's just show you how that works. So let's say he has Billy. He sets up Billy and his passcode 1, 2, 3, 4, and he chooses a learning track. Maybe Billy needs addition, so he sets him on addition. The teacher manager in school is not important for families. Maybe there's another child, Susie, and her passcode is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, and she's going to work on multiplication because she's in 3rd grade. And that's what you do for as many children as you have. Set up a username, passcode, and choose a learning track for them. And then click Assign the student logins below to the seats. When that happens, you have started your free trial, your initial complimentary subscription, which lasts for 2 weeks to give you a chance to see if you like how it works. First thing it does is takes you to this page with information about the help page, the basic steps of assigning logins, sharing the logins, having where students go to play at play.rocketmath.com, and things about how to monitor their progress. At the bottom, it continues back to the dashboard. So I'll show you quickly. There's 2 assigned seats, Billy and Susie. There's some unassigned, and those are there. It has the username, the passcode, and the account number, which Billy and Susie are going to have to remember when they log in. So 2, 5, 6, 4, 8. They're going to need to know that. Now let me introduce you to a couple other things on the dashboard here, or on the admin page. There is a basic rainbow navigation here. This takes you to all the different parts of what you need. There's a parent letter, which you aren't going to need. There is a color and rocket chart that you will want for your kids. There are learning track certificates you're going to want, and a toughness certificate you might want. I want to show you the help page is here. This green, yellow-green thing, the help page is information about all the things, what to do in Rocket Math, how to manage things, and all that. So if you come here, you should be able to find the answer to any question. You can also type in the search bar, and it will bring it up if you're lucky. Back here, the other page is the account payment renew page. And at the end of your free trial, or even before the end, if you're sure you want to go ahead and do this, you can do it here. So go to account payment renew. There are 4 steps to renew your subscription. You'll see the prices here is $4 each for 1 to 10 seats. So that's the price. You choose renew subscription, how many seats you need, and choose your payment option, and then you click make purchase. That's how you actually go ahead and purchase. Back to the dashboard. That will not happen until you go in and do it. So it's entirely up to you. Now, students play at play.rocketmath.com. So I want to show you how that works. Here is play.rocketmath.com. They click on enter. Excuse me. And they enter their login information. So Billy, 1234 is his passcode, and the account number is 25648. Remember, we wrote that down. Now, Billy can play here in the browser, whatever browser you're in, or you can also download an app to put on the device, an Apple app or an Android app. The apps play a little bit faster, they're a little less glitchy, and so that's why we put them in there. We hope that works well for you. Those are free, and there's no charge for that. The subscription is the only thing you pay for. Now, once if you download the app, still need to put the login information in and log in. This is the mission you have set Billy on, edition, so that's where he's going to get started. But the best thing to do is get started with basic training. So you click on basic training, and it brings you to basic training on how to play the Rocket Math online game, coming to you from Mission Control. Welcome to Astronaut Training. To start your mission, you'll need to hit enter. If you're on a computer, you may need to navigate to play.rocketmath.com. I'm not going to go through all of that because I'm hoping you will do that with your child to make sure that they know how to play the game, they understand what's going on, they don't get upset. You need to play to the end of this before it goes away. So be sure that you do. Math game has been brought to you by Mission Control. Good luck and be careful out there, astronauts. When the basic training is done, it will bring them back to the game. It's about a 15-minute video. To play the game, they click here. It tells them what phase they're in, takeoff, orbit, or universe. That's explained in the basic training. And what level, A to Z, they're at. They always click go to begin, and then it starts presenting problems. They answer, and the time is up after 3 seconds. They need to answer quickly because we want them to be doing this from memory. If they can't remember it, they can't answer quickly, then they need more practice, and the game provides it. Again, that's explained in the basic training. Let's practice to make this easier. Listen and remember the answer.
1 plus 3 equals 4. Go again.
And so that's how the game is played. I think that's enough to get you started. Thank you very much for giving Rocket Math a try.